So now that you know how to navigate, I'll show you how to create new projects. Simply go to projects and click on new project. There's also a private project, what is only visible to yourself, but we don't need this now. So click on new project. Then you type in the name for your project, maybe Gold Digger, and always enter a description that helps other people to see what the project is about. And after that, you have to choose an identifier. Always choose a clear and always choose a clear identifier, and remember to double check it because you cannot change it. It is unique, and most important, it is up here in your web address. So if you mess this one up, you have an ugly web address, and that just don't look good. If your customer maybe has a homepage, you can enter it here. You can set the project to public, so everyone in VNCproject is able to see it. You can make the project a sub-project of another project. If you want to do this, simply choose from the list. If you inherit members, the members that are in the parent project will also be member in the sub-project. Choose this carefully, and only if you know who is in the parent project. If you have a default version, you can choose it. If not, just let it be. And you can also choose a type, what kind of project this is. But the really important thing is the project type. It's a bit confusing, but the project type is the important one. It's also a red star behind it. And let's say it's a customer project, and the issue key up here is automatically created. So if I choose partner project, it's 20,001. If I choose customer project, it's 10,023, and so on. You can also enable Git reporting if you need it. If you choose a sender email, this email is what address you will get your email notifications from. So this is also very important. You can choose a contract and select all the products that are related to this project. Let's say we have a project, we have Portal, we have the Save, and maybe Cast. Doesn't matter, just choose what you need. You can also give additional description about the scope, risk, milestones, and challenges. Simply type something in. Choose a priority and enumeration status. That's pretty simple. And now we come to the modules. I will explain the modules in later videos in detail, but for now, issue tracking, you will always need this. Issue tracking is to create your issues, like your work packages. So this is always needed, always. Time tracking is to log time for HR, whatever, and to see how much time you spend on single issues. News is a feed, documents, there you can upload documents and so on, also files, wiki, self-explanatory. You can have forums, a calendar, a Gantt chart, and Easy Gantt is like the Gantt chart but interactive in usage. You can write an FAQ, you can use Agile. Agile is something like a Kanban board. You can have documentation, a help desk. Help desk is something special like the ITIL support feature and also release notes. Then you have the trackers. The trackers are related to the issue tracking. So if I deselect issue tracking, we have no trackers. Here they are. And normally you need something like a feature request, a work request, and normally also a change request if something has been changed or whatever is coming up in your project. There are also custom fields. If you need one, just use it. Your devs or our developers can also create custom fields if the fields available are not enough for you. And after finishing all this general setup, you can click on create and continue. This would create the project and redirect you to the same page so you could create the next project too. But we only need one project for now. We click on create and our project is successfully created. You now see this green bar up here and in the top right corner Gold Digger. So we are in the project Gold Digger. You see it also here. The green navigation bar is the project navigation bar. The blue navigation bar is the VNCproject navigation bar. So this is for all projects and other features, and this is for the project itself. And you also see we have Gantt, Agile, News, Wiki, what we selected in the modules. If you are now missing something or want to change something, you can do it here, and I will explain this in the next video.